Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Walmart Beauty Box. Now, if you don't know, Walmart Beauty Box is a quarterly box. It comes out only 4 times a year. It costs me $7.39 all in. So basically what they try to sell it to you as is a free box, but it costs $7.39 to ship it to you. But however you look at it, it's a bargain. So let's get in and see what they sent me for winter 2021/22. This is what it looks like when you first open it up. They give you a product guide that gives you an idea of what all could be. Wait, it opens, I'm sure. I can't get it open. Oh no! So it shows you all the products that you could have received. So not everyone will be in there. So let's open the tissue and see what we've got. Whoops! So let's start with the first thing that fell out. It wants to make an appearance. This is Soap and Glory Hand Food. Original Pink, Rose and Bergamot. Uh-oh. It's rose. This is a 1.69 ounce sample. A full size is 4.2 ounces and sells for $6.98. Now, all of the products in the Walmart Beauty Box are products that you can find at Walmart or online at walmart.com. So that's a good thing. I mean, they have everything in the box is affordable. So what does it say about this? Hand food, hand cream. Wait, I need my little light. Apply hand food, hand cream as often as you want to soften. That's it. Slather it on. So, but, let's see, is it sealed? No. It is lightly scented. It's not over the top floral or anything, which made me nervous. I don't know how it will be to apply. Let's see. See, I'm a migraine sufferer, so I can definitely smell the rose, but it's very light. But I do think it's enough. Oh, yeah. It just went through all your nose factories and my brain processed the fragrance and says, oh, hell no. So I will not be using this. I'll put this in a future giveaway. So let's see what's next on the list. Oh, there is liquid inside the bag. Quite a bit of it, actually. You see that? It's all over in there. So this is the original Hydrating Mist Toner. It's paraben and alcohol free, chamomile and rose. I'm terrified. I don't smell anything, but I don't understand how this got... I appreciate that they put everything in a bag. Let me get a... But is it not screwed on properly? I don't know. Oh! Yeah, I won't be able to use that. I don't know how it leaked everywhere. Okay, so this is the Sukin Signature Hydrating Mist Toner. Formulated with rose water and chamomile to help soothe and refresh tired skin. Use anytime, especially when your skin is feeling tired, stressed, or overheated. It is alcohol-free. It's for all skin types, but I can't be using this one either. So, 2 things for you guys. All right, what else? Oh, the full size is 4.2 ounces, and that is $9.99. The next thing I am pulling out is this Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier in the flavor strawberry. 6 count is $8.98. Get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. This non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix tastes great and contains 5 essential vitamins. Sometimes I think that they just structure sentences strange. Anyway, I know. It is 45 calories, but yeah, you just mix this with a bottle of water or a 16-ounce glass of water, and it will hydrate you a lot more than just drinking water alone. If you're sick, someone's feeling sick, if you're feeling a little dehydrated, this is really good for something like that. Next, I am pulling out Hemp's Original Herbal Body Moisturizer. This is Hydrate and Nourish. Now, this is a 2¼ ounce, and the full size is 17 ounces, and it runs for $19.48. It is the Original Herbal Body Moisturizer. What does it say? This moisturizer harnesses the natural, restorative, and hydrating power of 100% pure natural hemp seed oil to maintain, nourish, protect, condition, and dramatically hydrate the skin. Oh, that has a really pleasant smell. Feels good. Yes, I like this smell very much. So we have that. Okay. Next is 1 sample of fragrance-free Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum. 1 serum capsule. Just 1. Not a couple to see if you like it or not. Just 1. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum. A full size is 30 of them, and that's $26.97. So less than $1 per capsule. So that's what I got there. Gently twist to pull open the capsule. Smooth the serum over face after cleansing and before moisturizer at night. So I will be trying that. Next is by NYX Lingerie Gloss. Lingerie. That's a strange name for a lip gloss. Isn't lingerie lingerie? This looks like it is a full-size product. And the lip gloss full size, yes, this is. It's for $7.50. And the last thing in here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. And this is in a color brown. Can't read the writing on the package here. Very hard to read, but it is in the color brown. It's a dark brown, isn't it? It's a little bit too brown for me. Now, I'm going to have to go back and look at my profile because you can customize a profile based on skin color, type, your hair color, all of that. Now, if I use the word brown in any of my profiles, which I know that my hair in video looks quite brown, but in real life, my hair is like a dark blonde. So I think I need to change it to blonde so that I get more of a taupe, because this is just too dark for me. But let's see. Oh, it does come with a spoolie. It is a retractable brow pencil. This is a full size for $6.98. It is the Lottie London Retractable. So yeah, that's what everything I got in my box. I got the brow pencil, a hydrating packet, a retinoid capsule, hand food in the scent rose that I will not be using, and this as well, the toner mist. I will not be using this either. I don't know about the lip gloss. I'm not much of a lip gloss person, so I may be putting this in a giveaway unless my daughter takes it. And I'm looking forward to trying this. And yeah, so that is all I got in my Walmart beauty box for this winter 2021/22. I'm very glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.